Class 7, welcome back to the moral science class. We have already started this chapter 2, that is Sagar the Huli, and we have explained that who was Sagar, and Ankita and Sagar, they were friends. But today I am doing again the revision part of reading some part. Please listen. This is the final revision part. I will again revise it before the exam. Okay, then I will proceed to chapter 4, 5. Okay, so I will analyze the story. You will read line by line. I will underline the important part. Like this is very important. On the returning home from the market, Ankita's mother heard a sobbing. This part is important. Why sobbing? He heard that both the brothers and sisters, they were in a trouble, and the brother Sagar gave trouble to Ankita. Basically, Ankita was a very shy and polite girl, but Sagar kept bullying her all the time. The way she reacted was only one way she reacted. She complained to the elders and she started weeping. This is her nature. So her mother, both are the very closer and very dear to her mother. So her mother calmed her down by weeping away tears and asked, "Why did he beat you, my dear?" Then Ankita replied that she wanted the maths notebook to solve the question. Here is that. And she didn't ask Sagar. For that reason, Sagar got angry and he gave nicely to Ankita. So this was really, mother was very worried, and mother was thinking that, murmuring that why this problem is going on, he should complain to or discuss to their father. Being a year older, being a year older, Sagar was supposed to be one class ahead of Ankita. But due to his illness, he was in a same class. And hence the siblings were studying in the same class. There was always a competition between the two for getting better marks. This was because their father had promised. This is very important. From here, and question will come, promise that those who got the good marks, they will get the bicycle. Up to this, I have read it out. And this part also very interesting. In the half yearly examination, Ankita had secured more marks than Sagar. This had upset him too much that he started treating her very badly. See, listen, already I have explained. In your class also, some are getting poor marks and they were irritating you. Then now you will try to understand why your friend is irritating. That's because they didn't get the good marks. And same on Sagar. But see how nicely Sagar changed himself. One day Sagar got up late in the morning. He quickly got ready and hurried to the school in his rush to reach school in the time. He didn't eat his breakfast and even forgot his lunch box at home. Children, for today, this is enough. Next day, I will finish this part and then start fill in the blanks. Already I have analyzed these 3 questions answers only. Okay, bye bye.